Okaysou AirMic4S purifies air with the medical-grade True HEPA H13 filter. It is most effective in small to medium-sized rooms. Continue watching and see how powerful it is and exactly what you can expect from it. Before turning it on, you need to take some steps to make it ready to work. Turn the air purifier upside down. Remove the cover by turning it counterclockwise. As soon as you remove the cover, take the filter out and remove the plastic bag, which was protecting the filter. Now you can place the filter back in the air purifier. Put the cover back and turn it clockwise, so the arrow on the side points that the cover is sealed. Now you can place it in the desired position and turn it on. Before hitting the power button, remove the plastic wrap from the touchscreen. At first run, you will notice a weird smell coming out from the device. It smells like plastic or chemicals. Because of that, it is best to leave it at work for a few hours while you're not in the room, just to be safe. If you are replacing the old filter, before installing a new filter, use a vacuum cleaner and clean the air purifier from accumulated dust. Okaysou AirMic4S is not that much different from other air purifiers in this category. It uses standard options just like other air purifiers do. The power button reacts to low pressure. As soon as you click it, you will hear a beep, which means that the air purifier is working. This air purifier does not have memory and won't remember your latest settings. That means that after each start, it will start on the first speed, and ambient light will be on maximum. If you would like to change fan speed, click the speed button and choose one of the 3 speeds. By pressing the sleep mode button, the air purifier will continue to work on the first speed, and all the lights will be shut down. You can set shutdown time very easily by pressing the timer button. On the screen, you will see the number, and after that many hours, the air purifier will automatically shut down. The dimmer button is used for ambient light adjustment. The filter reset indicator will turn on when the filter needs to be replaced. That will happen every 6 to 8 months. When you replace the filter, you will need to press this button and hold it for 3 seconds, so the timer resets. Classic white color with black details allows this air purifier to blend in almost any room. The premium outlook is lifted with modern design, and ambient light adds attraction to this model. The touchscreen is perfect and works without any trouble. Each button has a light, which makes it easy to use, even in the dark. The only objection is production quality, which is not on the highest level, but it can get away with it. It is a portable air purifier that can be easily moved from room to room, but you will notice that it would be very useful if it had a handle. Silence Boost technology allows it to work whisper quiet on first speed. This air purifier can suck the air from 270 degrees with an air entrance of 26 centimeters high. A big entrance is a significant advantage, and that allows the capture of large particles such as pet hair and fur. Okaysou AirMic4S uses medical-grade True HEPA H13, which can capture up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. It has a pre-filter, which captures larger particles like hair, and because of this washable pre-filter, the True HEPA filter will last longer. Inside is also an active carbon filter, with its primary job to remove bad odor, smoke, and harmful gases. A reliable centrifugal fan with 12 vanes, pure copper motor, and smart chip allows this air purifier to work silently. At first speed, it's as silent as it gets, and you can have a good night's sleep when it runs. On first speed, it will make 45.7 decibels. On the second, 50 decibels. And on the third, 57.5 decibels. The fan works steadily without any disturbances and weird noises. Measured results can be different than the ones that the manufacturer mentioned in the description because our measuring tool includes a weighted decibels in measuring. This little device uses only 25 watts, which means that it uses very little energy. In 24 hours on maximum speed, this air purifier will use 0.6 kilowatts, which is around $2.20 per month, if we calculate 12 cents per kilowatt as it is in the United States. On standby mode, this air purifier uses 5 watts, which is a meaningless number, and the electric bill will not change at all. The only significant expense is filter replacement, but that is only every 6 to 8 months. You can check the current price of the filter replacement in the video description below. We tested the Okaysou AirMic4S for almost 1 month. We used the temp tool for measuring air quality. This air purifier is meant for a 130 square foot room, but we have used it in rooms of various sizes to see how air quality will improve. We wanted to see how air quality improves in smaller and bigger rooms than recommended. The AQI is an index for reporting daily air quality. It tells you how clean or polluted your air is. A 194 square foot room, after just 1 hour of air quality, was improved for 85%. In a 120 square foot room, air quality was improved by 82%. We have also tested it in extreme environments in a 230 square foot room. In this room, people smoked every day, and almost all the time, someone was in the room. Air quality in such an extreme environment has significantly improved, and since this room is larger than recommended, we were delighted with the results. Our advice is that this small air purifier needs to be used by the book in rooms that are smaller than 130 square feet. However, you should not worry too much even if the size of your room is a bit larger than recommended, since we proved that even in a big room, this air purifier could do a good job. If you'd like to see more details about these tests, you can check it by visiting airpurifiersfirst.com or by clicking the link in the video description. The Okaysou AirMic4S is a cute little device that is an excellent tool in improving air quality in the living room or bedroom. It's an ideal choice if you're on a limited budget or if this is your first air purifier. It's perfect for beginners because it's very simple to use. If you decide to buy this air purifier before the final decision, check the room size in your home and see if they meet the requirements. I am highly suggesting to use this air purifier in a bedroom, small office, kids' room, nursery room, or any other room that is not larger than 130 square feet. Okaysou gives a 5-year warranty, which is very generous. You can read about Okaysou AirMic4S in more detail on airpurifiersfirst.com. You can find all the necessary links in the video description.